Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car, 1965 Corvette Coupe. It's finished in red with a black leather interior, black vinyl interior, sorry, and complete body off restoration with a little over 2,000 miles, right?
Since the frame off, now there's only maybe 700 miles, maybe
Wow,
at the most.
Jesus.
Engine has 300 miles on it.
Wow, absolutely fantastic. I got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. So you started out with a pretty clean car right off the bat, right?
Well, I bought the car. It was very clean, but it wasn't up to my standards. And I took the body off the frame. I rebuilt everything. Tranny, rear end. Everything has remained the same as far as numbers. I've done everything I can to make it as nice as I could for myself.
Well, he's got pretty high standards, guys, as you guys can see. The paint, the chrome, the stainless, the attention to detail, the correctness right down to the tower clamps. Just awesome. All the right shielding. Just done, done, done. I like the World's Fair plates too. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, no, it was a friend who gave me those plates, so.
Killer paint. Knockoffs. It's as is a brand new car. You guys can check out the website too. We'll have all the undercarriage photos there that you can see. We do offer financing and worldwide shipping. This car is like brand new. Matching numbers, motor, trans, rear. You can even see the clock is ticking. It's not a reproduction clock. The reproduction clocks, they sweep. As nice as it gets. This is it. Everything is brand new. Beautiful fitment of all the panels. All the correct shielding. All the correct tower clamps. Brand new. Off-road exhaust?
No, no stop. I have the off-road exhaust muffler, but I had them on there, but I took them off.
Okay.
Correct. Water pump. A lot of time to get it to where it is. do you think?
No, fire it up.
Fire it up.
Fire it up.
Miles
312 miles.
on the engine, anyway.
Wow.
Done by Macbeth. Oh, Macbeth.
Ready? It's as nice as it gets.
Sacrifice, dude. I'm trying to stay out of your way.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Any questions at all, feel free to give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.